Okay, so a couple different ways that you can brush your kids' teeth. You'll take the toothbrush, put a pea-sized amount of toothpaste on the toothbrush. You can kind of smash it down into the bristles a little bit like that. Then you can take it, you can stand to the side kind of like you got them in a headlock. Wash your hands, use your finger, pull their cheek and lip out of the way. Put the toothbrush angled up toward the gums, and you're going to softly go back and forth, brushing about 2 teeth at a time. Work your way around to the back, looking at all the teeth, making sure you're getting all the teeth on the outside, then on the tops, and then on the inside. Again, you're going to kind of angle into the gums. For the front teeth, you got to kind of go a different direction, different angle, but angle at about a 45-degree angle so that you're brushing the teeth and the gums at the same time. If they're having a hard time standing up and letting you brush like this, you can also have them lay down. You're going to do that for about 2 minutes. Okay, so to lay down, have them lay on the ground or on the couch. You can sit at their head. Same thing, you're going to use your hand, open their mouth, and brush that same way where you're angled into the gums. But this way you can see all the way to the back to make sure you're getting those back teeth. For the bottom teeth, do the same thing. Angle into the gums. Slowly work your way around, about 30 seconds per side. Brushing the outside, the tops, and then the inside. If they're having a hard time still with really little kids, sometimes they're grabbing with their hands. So if they're doing that, you can put their arms under your legs. And then the same thing. That way they can't grab the toothbrush while you're brushing. You still can brush. If they're kicking their feet up, you can also put your legs over their feet so that they can't kick up. For flossing, you can use regular floss or a floss stick. Get enough that you can wrap it around your fingers. You're going to get the piece, cut it off, take it between your thumb and your middle finger, thumb and middle finger, wrap it around your middle finger several times. You should be able to let it go and still hold on to the floss just with that one finger because of how it's wrapped around. Then you're going to come in, go in between the teeth. You're going to wrap it around one tooth, go up and down. Pull it against the other tooth, up and down. Go to the next teeth, pop it in between the teeth, wrap it around one tooth, up and down, pull it against the other tooth, up and down, and go between each section of teeth, each set of teeth like that. If there's space between the teeth, you don't have to really floss that as much. The toothbrush will get those. Where you can't see space or gums between the teeth, get the floss and feed it between those teeth to floss. You can brush or floss in any order that you want. It's up to you on which one you want to do first. But floss at least once a day, brush twice a day. Okay, for older kids, they're going to use about a pea-sized amount of toothpaste again, put it on their toothbrush. An electric toothbrush is better for all kids. It's preferable, rechargeable. They're going to take the toothbrush, they're going to angle it into the gums just the same as we did with the younger kids, and they're going to brush each quadrant of their mouth for about 30 seconds, angling the toothbrush at a 45-degree angle for the outside and inside, and then brushing the tops of the teeth, going around each section of the mouth, making sure they get all the way to the back molars. After the 2 minutes, they're going to spit the toothpaste out, wash their toothbrush off, but not rinse their mouth out with water. If they use mouthwash, they'll want to wash their mouth out with water, use the mouthwash, then spit that out. But whatever they use last, don't rinse it off the teeth, leave the residue on the teeth. Again, electric toothbrush is better. They should brush 2 times a day. If they have braces, they should brush for 4 minutes each time. If they don't have braces, just brush for 2 minutes.